What up, YouTube? Yeah. Finally got that baby in there. Do a little tweaking or whatever. Yeah, shit, it's in there now. See all my tools and my mess over there. This one right here, that mud stripped out on me. So, but shit, I ain't too much worried about it. Got my old steering wheel. I'll tap to it right here. It's over there. I gotta go get this steering wheel, pull it back to AutoZone. Shit, man, this in there. Yeah. Do a cold start on my truck. It ain't been crunked up. By shit. I don't know when, by 5 days. Probably gonna die here. Figured it was gonna die. I ain't been crunked up about 5 days, but yeah. Shit, it's in there now, man. I just gotta get that inspection here. We gonna be straight. But alright now. Wood grain. I'm thinking about getting this thing reupholstered to the color of this wood. Take these out, throw it back in here and sell these. And keep it there. That classy look or whatever. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Get all this, get all that painted. Get the paint job on the outside. We gonna be straight.